What's up, guys? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. But before we get this video started, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the like button. If you do enjoy watching content about financial markets, stock market, and cryptocurrencies, consider hitting that subscribe button because I do upload every single day. It doesn't matter what day it is. If big news come out, you'll be the first to see in this channel as they come out. Doesn't matter in the morning, in the night, could be 2 in the morning. I will upload a video, no doubt. Also, it doesn't matter if you're new, if you've been in the market for a while, or you're just trying to pass on time and trying to learn about the cryptocurrencies or about any financial market. We're all in here together and learning, and let's just grow this community. But yeah, let's get this video started. So today we're gonna be talking about Shiba Inu, and we see the past couple of days we've seen a really run, like a big run up on Shiba Inu. First of all, we need to kind of explain why I think Shiba Inu it was running, currently is not running right now, but we've had about 3 or 4 days of a run up, and honestly, it's really all comes to big whales buying lots and lots of coins, investing a lot of money into Shiba Inu right now. And especially right now, Shiba Inu is trending literally anywhere. You hop on Facebook, Instagram, any social platform, first thing you're gonna see is something about Shiba Inu. That, and then also the picture from Elon Musk that he tweeted a few days ago about his puppy, the Shiba Inu dog that he has. That's another reason that we had a Shiba Inu run up. Doesn't mean it's bad. I hope anyone that's invested in Shiba is making money. If you're holding, I hope for the best for y'all. But honestly, the way I'm playing Shiba Inu is I'm just swing trading it. If it comes to down to day trading it, I'm just doing that. I do hold a little bit of Shiba. So at the beginning when we had that massive run up yesterday, I sold just to lock in some profits. And now during the day, I've just been kind of like day trading here and there. So right now I'm still holding because I kind of bought in at 0.00024, and now it's down like 0.00002. So I'm not down that much, but I do expect a another run maybe tomorrow. I will explain to it why I think in a little bit. But let's look at the crypto market currently. So globally, we have a 2.29 trillion uh, market cap on the whole crypto market, which is literally only a 0.12 increase over the last day. So not much. We've had Bitcoin. It fell down about 1%. It was at 55,000 yesterday, and it was kind of just holding around there. But now it dropped about 1,000, which we kind of did expect to kind of pull back a little bit. We're just hoping it doesn't pull back down under 50K, because that would drag down the rest of the cryptos. But I don't think so. I feel like it will maintain around 53 to 55 for maybe a couple days. And in turn, we needed to break the support of 59,000 to reach its previous all-time high of about 64. That way we could see the rest of the altcoins start running, like Ethereum and especially Dogecoin. So if you do hope Dogecoin, I really hope either these last 3 months we have a run up or the beginning of next year, because honestly I know there's been a lot of people out there that are holding Dogecoin. Like, that's me. Like, I'm included in that because I did not sell when it hit 70 cents. Maybe I should, but honestly I'm still up, so I can't complain. I bought in way ago, so it doesn't even matter. So uh when we had like that massive spike earlier yesterday, we had Shiba at in like around the top 12, around the top 12 cryptos. Now that it has let go of some of the gains, it dropped down to top 20, but it's still a top 20 coin. Keep in mind, where it came from. Now let's go inside and just look at some graphs to kind of explain why I'm still kind of holding Shiba right now. because, like I said, I am swing trading it. But let's just go into the trading view. Okay, so we have the day chart, right? So we have one, two. We had pretty much 3 days of massive runs of Shiba Inu, and then today we had pretty much a pullback on Shiba, which is this candle. But you can't compare the pullback that we've had currently to the run up. And if you come back when we had the last spike, I mean, look at this. We had a massive spike back in May, and look what happened. It literally dropped down, literally like 80% pullback right there. And we haven't seen that in Shiba. So this is why I'm still kind of holding. And like I said, I bought in at I rebought in after I made some profit just to kind of swing trading it, but I'm currently down because it fell down a little bit during the day. So if we go into the hourly chart, we can see. So let me just draw this line. I had it here before, but I guess it erased. So we can see we have a support right here of around 20. Okay, so I'm not gonna say 0.000021. I'm just gonna start referring it to 21 and 22 and 23, 24 cents, even though it's in decimals. That way I don't have to keep repeating zeros multiple times. Okay, so we have that support line, and then we have this resistance, which we've seen hit 35 cents. Okay, like I said, many zeros in front of that, so 35 cents. And throughout the day, if you go into like the 30-minute charts, it's been trading constantly around like this channel. So right here, and we did have a couple spikes here during the day. Um, this is kind of where I sold um, today in the morning, and then I bought in. I think as it was falling down, like right at 24, 25, expecting it to go back up, but we had more of a pullback. So now we're kind of trading right here in between these two lines in this channel. And what we need to see is a break of this resistance. And honestly, after this resistance, it could go sky back up to 35, because really in this area there is no resistance or support. Literally, if it passes this, we have seen it has hit the 35-cent mark and it's been rejected down massively. So I still think maybe tomorrow, if we see a break of 24.50, let's say, and it hits 25, we will probably see another run on Shiba. But what we need to take a closer look is the volume, because today we had a lot, not as much volume as the past 3 days. If you look at the day chart right here, 3 days, as you can see, today we had a massive sell off. Today, what we need is for tomorrow have a lot of volume, but mainly buying volume. And yeah, if you go into the hourly chart, there's been a couple a couple of volume candles here and there, but it's been pretty much overpowered by the selling candles. So just keep an eye on that. If we do see, like, especially in the 1 hour, um, two or three engulfing candles after like a small selling candle, expect it to hit or pass 25 cents. And that's, if you are swing trading it, I would probably put a limit sell at around 34 cents. So that would be a pretty good profit for you. But this is not financial advice. I'm not advising you to do this. This is only my opinion, the way I'm trading. You do not have to follow me. Like I said, this is just how I'm dealing with Shiba Inu. I know there's a lot of people out there just holding, but we need to keep in mind right now there's really no use case on Shiba. There's really not much you could do with Shiba currently. Maybe in the future they start adding more stuff, more use case. Was it maybe I would consider holding it, but at the current how it sits, I wouldn't hold it. I would just consider swing trading it, especially since it has a lot of momentum. I've seen pretty good profits to have here in this play especially. But like I said, I guess time will tell, and hopefully tomorrow we get a lot of buying pressure on Shiba. That way, all of y'all can make more money trading Shiba Inu. So that's it for today's video. Comment down below what I miss, what I need to improve on, what you didn't like, and like I said, I upload every single day. Sometimes twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day. Just whenever I see big headlines on the news about, like I said, financial market, crypto market, stock market, I will upload a video immediately. So if you don't want to miss that, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you till next time. Peace.